Good morning students. Today we are going to start exercise 4.2 question number 1. Today again we'll do construction. Yesterday we have completed one criteria when 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given. Today we are going to start second criteria when 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. Okay students, let's start. So in question number 1, we have to draw a quadrilateral. LIFT, lift. This quadrilateral we have to construct. Sides are given. ALI equal to 4 centimeter. IF is equal to 3 centimeter. TL is equal to 2.5 centimeter. LF is equal to 4.5 centimeter. And TI is given 4 centimeter. So, same process. First we'll draw a rough sketch. Here 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. First we'll draw a rough sketch. Suppose this is a quadrilateral L, I, F and T. This quadrilateral we have to construct. Now what is given? LI. LI is given 4 centimeter. IF means 3 centimeter. TL is, this is the TL, 2.5 centimeter. LF 4.5. LF is a diagonal. This is the 4.5 centimeter. And TI. This is also a diagonal. This is given 4 centimeter. That means 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. In this construction also we can start from diagonal, but this time we'll start from sides because 3 sides are given. We can take one side as a base. Suppose we are starting from this side, LI. That means first we'll take LI 4 centimeter. We'll take LI 4 centimeter. After that we'll cut an arc. We'll take L as a center and we'll take 4.5 centimeter arc. We'll take 4.5 measurement and we'll cut a arc from L because this is a L and this is I. Then after that we'll take center I and till F we'll cut an arc of 3 centimeter. We'll take measurement of 3 centimeter and we'll cut an arc from I till the previous arc. Now this is the intersecting point. We'll give name F because this is L, I and F. Now we'll join the points FI and FL. So one diagonal is complete and one side is complete. This is 3 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter and this is 4.5 centimeter. Now again we'll take L as a center and we'll cut an arc till T. We'll take 2.5 measurement. We'll take 2.5 and we'll cut arc from here to here. Same we'll take from I is center and 4 centimeter till T. We'll take measurement of 4 centimeter and we'll cut arc from I till T. This is the intersecting point. We'll give name T and we'll join both the points. This is the intersecting point and we'll join this and this. This is 4 centimeter diagonal and this is 2.5 5 centimeter. Now this is the remaining point. Now we can join T and F. We'll join both the points. This is our required quadrilateral LIFT where 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. Okay students, now step of construction. Okay students, next construction is rhombus. We have to construct rhombus B, E and D, where BN is given 5.6 centimeter and DE is given 6.5 centimeter. In previous class, we have learnt about rhombus, how to construct rhombus, and in this class also we will learn about rhombus. But in previous class we have learnt one side was given and one diagonal was given. But in this rhombus both the diagonals are given. So how we can construct this rhombus when both the diagonals are given? First we'll draw a rough sketch. Suppose this is a rhombus B, E and D. BN is given, that means BN, this is BN 5.6 and D is 6.5. When both the diagonals are given, we can start from any diagonal. We are taking here DE as diagonal. DE diagonal is a base. First we'll draw 6.5 centimeter line. We'll take measurement of 6.5 centimeter and we draw a line segment. This is the base DE. We have taken one diagonal as a base 6.5 centimeter. Now we'll draw a perpendicular bisector. We'll take more than half of this line and we'll cut arc both the side. Center D will cut arc both the side. And with the center E, we'll cut arc both the side. Now this is the perpendicular bisector. We'll join both the points. That means we have bisected this line. That means these both the sides are equal part. Same. Now second diagonal is BN. We have to construct BN this side. BN is given 5.6. That means this measurement should be 5.6. How we can construct 5.6? That's why. Because this line, this diagonal also should be in 2 equal parts. So, we'll divide 5.6 divided by 2. That means 2.8 will take this side and 2.8 will take this side. This is the center O. From center O, from the point of intersection, we'll take 2.8 centimeter this side and 2.8 centimeter this side. That means this diagonal also should be in 2 equal parts. So now we'll measure 2.8. From O, from the center, we'll cut 2.8 this side and same 2.8 this side. This is the point 2.8. We'll give name B and N. Now we'll join all 4 sides. This side, two point eight. This is our required rhombus. When 2 diagonals are given, we have taken one diagonal as a base and After that, we have drawn a perpendicular bisector, and this is the diagonal. We have taken half both the sides from the intersecting point, and this is the our required rhombus BEND. Okay students, now you write the steps of construction. Thank you student. In next class we will start exercise 4.3.